Hey guys, Don here from the Millionaire Mailer. I know it's been a while since I've made a video, but I have been on the road and I have been extremely busy. I'm still in the process of moving to another city or back in my hometown. But I wanted to make this quick video and to show what came in today. So we have one for the Millionaire Mailer 2 and the Millionaire Mailer 3. So that's for the Millionaire Mailer 3. And that is for $100, so that's $100 right there. Okay, I'll get that out of the way. And here's another one for me. All right, let me get this out real quick. All right. Okay, so this one is for the Millionaire Mailer 4. Sent it an envelope here. Open this up real quick. Okay. And I think this individual sent $250. And I do have a website hosting service that costs $30 to start up. So this individual should have sent me $280. So let's count this real quick here. 80. All right, so that's $350. Well, not $350, but $280 plus the Millionaire Mailer 3. So that's $380 cash in one day, guys. And I've also started, what I've started doing for my team is I've started making my own invoices for accounting. It makes it a lot easier and to keep track of all your signups. So that's all there is, guys. So if you guys want to request a flyer, go ahead and email me at the email address below, or I'll have the email address somewhere listed on this video. You know, it's 2020 now, guys. You guys have seen my journey and it's still going strong. I have several other invoices that I don't showcase on here. I only showcase on Facebook. So if you want, you can check out my Facebook, or, you know, send me a friend request, or, you know, just email me saying, hey, I want to be friends with you on Facebook. So that's all there is to it. I hope you guys have, you know, a prosperous 2020. You know, Mailer is not going anywhere. And, you know, that's all there is. I got to get back on the road, and hope to see you soon.